Take a deep breath. Let yourself slow down. Listen to this affirmation every day. You will begin to feel lighter, calmer, and more in control. You are not alone. You are on the path to financial healing and peace. Let's begin. I am healing my relationship with money day by day. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. I'm allowed to take a breath. I release shame and choose self-compassion. My worth is not defined by my bank account. I am still lovable, even with financial challenges. I am not broken. I'm simply learning. Every small action I take matters. I deserve peace, even during hard times. I forgive myself for past financial decisions. I allow myself to rest without guilt. I am not alone. Many people walk this path. I am more than my debt. I trust that better days are ahead. I am open to unexpected blessings. I am doing the best I can. I allow myself to grow without pressure. I release the need to have all the answers today. I am moving forward gently. I accept where I am and choose grace. I deserve to feel calm and cared for. Thank you for listening. Remember, true change starts in your mind, and your thoughts are already shifting. Repeat these affirmations daily and allow peace and progress to grow within you. If this brought you any comfort, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affirmations. You are healing. You are growing. You are going to be okay.